Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Centers today to show you a fantastic new camper van. This is a Pleasure-Way Plateau TS, and it's an absolutely beautiful rig. I think you're going to love it. Now before we go inside, I just want to mention that camper vans are very, very sought after because first of all, they get a lot better fuel economy than a typical motorhome, and because they're small, they're a lot more useful. You can do a lot of different things with these. You can go a lot more places and you can park a lot of places. Also, this particular one will pull 5,000 pounds, so it's a great RV to go camping with because you can pull your boat or whatever you like. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Now the first thing that made these popular was the fact that a tall guy could walk right into it and not have to duck down and bump his head. Now before you come in, I just want to mention this screen door that we're looking at right here. This part here zips down on each side, and so there's your screen, so I can have my door all the way open and I can have fresh air but no bugs. The other thing that's really cool is I can walk in and out just like this. So when that screen zipped down, it's got a magnetic connector, and it doesn't you know, tear and bind up and get all goofy the way some of these sliding ones do. Okay, let's take a look inside. So this is a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. They have wonderful new finishes in this rig. And one of the things they've also done is they've designed a new tabletop. This swivels around, it's adjustable, it's removable. It does a lot of really cool things. And that's important because this whole area is very versatile. This is a power sofa, so you push a button and it'll lay right down and make a bed. You can have twin beds or a king bed. Plus, of course, as you know, a dining area, right? Now, it also has shoulder harnesses and a center lap harness, so you can seat belt 3 people back here when you're traveling. There's a home theater system with a Bose sound bar, a media player, and the whole 9 yards. So this is a really good social area to be in. And then you can see also that there's a tremendous amount of storage. This all lifts up and there's loads of storage in here. Just tons. There's another great feature on this one is that this has a 3-way refrigerator. Now a lot of rigs today have gone to an all-electric fridge, and they're efficient, and many of my own vehicles have those, but this is for people that still want the versatility of being able to use propane or either type of electric. It's a 3-way fridge, so you don't have to worry about getting hung out there without enough power, and you can cool multitudes of ways. This also has a convection microwave oven, so I can both bake and microwave in this unit. Now, one of the striking things about this floor plan is look at all the counter space. Just a tremendous kitchen in here. We've got a recessed stove. We got a beautiful recessed sink with a solid cover top. That's a big old farm sink. You can use that. You can wash your dishes in there, and you've got a beautiful single handle faucet that's very elegant here. And then you have a tremendous amount of storage in the kitchen. Right down here, you have these big drawers. You have these big cabinets, look at that right there. And this one here, pardon me, this one right here is all storage. There's a ton of storage in here. Now, let's take a look at this cabinet. That is hanging storage. Guess what? Most of the time in a camper van, there is no hanging storage. So this is remarkable that they have made space for this. And we have a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Now I want to point out that most bathrooms in RVs are, especially in B vans like this, are wet baths. But this one here is a full countertop and cabinets, a medicine cabinet, and it's all protected by the shower curtain. So if you need to take a shower, it's okay. But the rest of the time, this is just a really nice bathroom. Now in the front, we look up in the front, I'll just open this door this way. I want you to take a look up here because they're really comfortable. This is great for tall guys with big feet. There's plenty of room to put your feet, a lot of footwell space. And as far as being a vehicle goes, it's really well equipped. It's laden with safety features from Mercedes, and they're wonderful to drive. Also too, they get really good mileage. So I don't know, these things have been such a major part of our industry for the last a little over 10 years, and I see every sign that that's going to continue. Okay, now I want to show you, one thing. This unit right here, this is our monitor control panel. It's part of our multiplex wiring system, and there's a full array of controls in here for checking your levels, turning on your lights, running your sofa, running your awning. It's really, really easy to use. Okay, let's take a quick look around the outside. I guess my big point about the exterior here is that it's very clean and attractive. There's not a lot of stripes and gobbledygook back here. Has a beautiful backup camera, of course. And in the very back, we find that we have storage. And you could see that this has a new lithium-ion battery system. And lithium-ion batteries are great because they hold a lot much deeper charge than a typical lead-acid battery, and they last a lot longer. So they're a tremendous value if you can get that kind of a battery. Okay, the last thing I want to tell you about Pleasure-Way is, besides they're rare, they have the best warranty in the industry. They put a 5-year warranty on their craftsmanship in this vehicle, where the typical standard in the industry is only 1 year. So they really stand behind their product. I'm very proud to show this Pleasure-Way, and I hope you have some questions about it, and if you do, maybe you'll give me a call. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks for watching the video. You have a great day.